guys, today we're making the best peanut butter caramel cookies. They're salty and sweet and incredibly chewy. So drop everything you're doing and please go make these. Okay, you guys, so we're going to start with some soft butter and vanilla. I have both in this bowl. Now let's talk about the peanut butter. You can use any peanut butter of your choice, smooth or chunky. However, make sure it's salted. Salted peanut butter is amazing for peanut butter cookies and contrasts beautifully the sweet caramel. Most peanut butter nowadays are salted. However, if you're buying organic, it may not be. So at that point, you want to add it yourself. I've added the sugar. I'm using white today, mainly for aesthetics. I wanted the cookies to be lighter in color and contrast the caramel filling. However, if you want to use brown sugar, that's delicious. Go ahead. You want to cream these ingredients just for about 30 seconds until they're combined. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. At this point, you can go ahead and add the egg. Now, if you've been following me for a while now, you know I usually like to add just yolks to my cookies. Yolks give cookies extra richness. However, because there's a lot of peanut butter in this recipe, there's no need to. Once the egg is combined, you can add the dry ingredients. At this point, I would just switch to using your hands. It's much easier to mix. Careful to not overmix. As soon as the dry ingredients are incorporated, the dough is done. Now, I'm going to use a small ice cream scoop to make the cookies. If you want, you can form the cookies using just your hands. With this recipe, you'll be able to get around 18 to 20 cookies. Now, I'm using store-bought soft caramels. I wanted this recipe to be simple and convenient. A cookie recipe should be easy and convenient. If I'm going through the trouble of making my own caramel, I'm going to use it for a cake and not a simple cookie recipe, okay? But if you want to make your own caramels, kudos to you. Add one caramel in the center of each cookie. Wrap it well, rolling it with your hands. Now, you do want to slightly flatten these cookies out, and these need to go in the freezer just for about 30 minutes. They need to firm up, so when we bake them, they won't spread as much. Usually, all cookies should chill, and because we didn't chill these beforehand, we're going to chill these now. It's much more convenient to chill the cookie dough once you formed the cookies, because at that point all you have to do is bake them off. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 13 minutes. Allow the cookies to sit on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before you eat these. Soft cookies should come out of the oven still soft, guys. Slightly 1 or 2 minutes underbaked. That's the trick to perfect chewy cookies. Now, these are delicious, both warm or once they've cooled. It really depends if you prefer a gooey caramel or a chewy caramel center. There's something so comforting and delicious about peanut butter and caramel together. It's such a classic flavor combination. They almost taste like a candy bar. If you want the most comforting cookie ever, you need to make these.